Yo, what up, everybody? So it's Tom here, and if you have problems with your Moza racing wheel or other sim wheel shaking back and forth like it does right here, as soon as you push on the gas, shakes violently. It took me forever to figure out what I needed to do. I watched a lot of videos and looked at other people's setups and finally found out what I needed, and no other video I could find showed me, so here you guys go. What I had to do was go to exits and then go to your settings for force feedback, and in there you'll see your gains, and at least for direct drive wheel you don't need much, so set it to 1 surprisingly, and send her on another go, and we'll see how she works. All right. No shaking. Solid force feedback, just enough that you need, nothing crazy. But yeah, and so this is how I fixed it in Assetto Corsa. I'll make another video to show how I was able to fix it in CarX. Thanks.